Do you wish you could give your home's exterior a fresh look and a little more curb appeal without spending a lot of money? Well, you can. Just call All About Exteriors. We can help transform the exterior of your home by replacing your siding, roof, gutters, windows, doors, and even more. Whatever your goals, we can help you reach them. For over 20 years, we've been serving the northwest suburbs of Chicago. We believe in providing quality service and even bigger results. No job is too big or small for us. Our highest priority is delivering incredible customer service and satisfaction. That's why our reviews speak for themselves. Just listen to what Mike had to say about his experience. I needed to have my roof done really quickly. A broken tree branch damaged my roof really badly. The day after I called All About Exteriors, they sent a roofer to temporarily cover the damaged part of the roof with a tarp. I had my roof replaced by them in only 2 weeks after the incident. Thank you for the excellent customer service, great work, and fast response. With our free in-home estimate, you have nothing to lose. So give us a call at 847-461-1414 or visit our website at allaboutexteriors.com.